Welcome to my video channel, and today I'm going to talk about something very important. So this is about what are the steps or precautions that senior citizen should take in their trading or investing journey. Come along with me and learn these steps. This could be very useful. Mother, whoever has earned and now looking at either leaving a legacy and wanting to make their money work hard for them, or even they want to make some small money in their trading journey or even the investing journey. Follow me along, and without further ado, first tip is right here. Invest or trade only that money that you can afford to lose. Don't forget this rule, because I have seen many people getting into the investing and trading rule, and without knowing that this is a different game altogether, they have lost a lot. No offendo, if you are somebody who do not know and starting after your retirement and after you are a senior citizen, don't do futures and options. The last thing that you should be doing is compromising your health in order to earn some wealth. So don't sit in front of the screen. That is where you will make a lot of mistakes. Don't keep mental stop loss. Keep the stop loss in the system. So that way you know that in the maximum, what can happen is you'll lose some money. But if you don't keep any stop loss at all, you might lose unlimited money. The fifth advice is trade only liquid stocks where there is good volume, so that if you want to sell, because you might get some requirement, and when you want to sell, it should not be a case that there are nobody to buy your shares. Sixth one, choose a simple and practical strategy. Don't go for complicated multiple charts, multiple analysis, paralysis. Just simple and practical strategy. Look for my videos where I'll make very simple strategies which can be used even by a 8th class student. Seventh rule, don't reinvest your profits. Yes, because what will happen is you might have a up and down in your trading journey, and if you don't reinvest, you are well saved. You can go for stock SIP, similar to what mutual funds have, and they will give you good returns. They will help you eliminate or manage time risk. There is something called time risk. Again, I am doing a video on different types of risks in stock trading. There is time risk, there is market risk, there is portfolio risk, there is diversity risk, there is only one. If you do only on commodities, that is another risk. I'll talk about it separately. And this is my favorite. If you have been watching so far, I must thank you. I must tell you that you are at the right place, because 9th tip is the best tip that I can give. How do you find out that you should not be in that place for more than 1 minute? If somebody guarantees you like 5% per month, 10% per month, just run away from that place. When I started my trading journey 10 years back, somebody promised me 5% returns per month. I gave them 50,000 rupees, and I still don't know where my 50,000 are. Very recently, my own dad, he was wanting to, he was looking at some fixed returns. I strictly advised him not to go for anybody who says I'll give you guaranteed returns, especially in the stock market. So also don't invest based on tips or somebody else's advice. Do your own research, study some analysis, understand the strategy, do a back testing a little bit, then go for it. And here we come to the end of the YouTube channel, this channel, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. And by the way, if you don't like it, click on dislike. If you have liked it, like this YouTube channel. And I'm planning to make videos on technical analysis, charts, patterns. What is your trading style? Are you looking at intraday? or long term? Comment below. Comment intraday if you want me to make more videos on intraday. Comment long term if you want me to make more videos on long term. However, if I get more videos for long term, I will make more videos on long term. Thank you for being with me so far and have a wonderful trading journey. See you. Bye bye.